right, Mike here in Frederick, Maryland at Courtney Nicodemus's house. He tracked me down in a parking lot maybe, a month ago.
He and the Snuggle Bunny were standing outside the truck talking. I think he gave her a peck on the cheek, and I said, hey man, give her a lip lock, not this pecking stuff.
And told me that he had a small pond that needed some help. And today we are gonna help this green pond get clear, give the fish some life with some awesome water action, and blow Courtney away. He's gonna be just ecstatic with the results.
What are you excited about today when it comes to this rebuild?
No maintenance, virtually, other than changing the filter. Not having to get down on my knees on a pillow and take a hose and blow that frickin' filter out so it'll start pumping again. I've had all kinds of filters and systems in it, here and there and everywhere, and I can't maintain it anymore myself, so that's why you guys are here. This thing hasn't been cleaned out in 10 years. So God only knows how many leaves are in the bottom of it. I'd like to see the fish. I'm the oldest of 10 children. I grew up on a 485-acre dairy farm in Howard County, Maryland. I got my draft notice in 1964. My father sent me down to Ellicott City, Maryland to get my farm deferment. I came back and enlisted in the Marine Corps. He said, what in the name of God did you do that for? I said, all I know is milking cows 6.5 days a week in Lisbon, Maryland. Did boot camp at Parris Island. My duty station was going to be Hawaii. I never saw Hawaii. We were there for 10 days to stage and got on a ship and headed to Vietnam. Yes, May of 1965, we made an amphibious landing. My particular landing spot was a place called Chu Lai, Vietnam. When the landing craft started in, I looked to the left and I looked to the right, and there were ships as far as I could see and landing craft going in. That particular amphibious landing brought the troop strength up from 15,000 to 30,000 people. Wow is right. It was supposed to be opposed and there was a photographer on the beach. The next day the Seabees came in, same as the Army Corps of Engineers, and they started building an airstrip. But they were getting sniped at nighttime. So the lieutenant said, you men go down and ride shotgun on this equipment. We're going to see if we can't find these snipers. Being a farm boy, I walked past every piece of equipment that had a steel seat or a track because I wasn't going to be bouncing around. So I find this dump truck and I climb in and I locked and I loaded. Now, the first time I heard a bullet go over my head, I thought them cows weren't that bad after all. And if you want to know anything more about my history, You look up Operation Starlight, Starlite, August of 1965, the Van Thong Peninsula. Bang, that's it. Semper Fi. This corner. Not in it. That's it. Now put the stone on top. Oh my God! That is outstanding!
Pretty cool, huh?
It's outstanding, man. I never knew so much work. It's outstanding.
That's a bigger filter that colonizes the bacteria, and it's got plants that are going to come up too.
I can't wait for him to see the lotus.
Yep, the lotus is a special one. That has a really nice big flower inside. Got the lights, the filters, and just let me know.
I'm gonna push to this.
Look at that.
Dandy's dandy, liquor's quicker, and doesn't rot your teeth. You want to hit cameraman?
I'll take one, sure. Thank you.
Sam might finish.
Woo! It's good stuff. Yes, sir.
All right, time put in. We got this pond up and running, beautiful little waterfall. That water was putrid, pea green, thick slime. It's a little greenish now. Filter's gonna clear it right up. Lights are in there. Client's gonna love this for the years to come.
Not normally part of the premiere crew. It's kind of a rare addition that I'll pop up, but I had to today when Mike and I met Courtney Nicodemus. I mean, how do you not come out and make this man smile and build this waterfall for him? So it was just a beautiful way to spend a Sunday, great crew to hang out with, and I'm loving the results.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Sam with Premiere here. We just got finished on this small little build here. A super awesome client, you know, one of the coolest ones we've had in a long time. Yeah, I was working on this wall and this edge over here. If you like the look of that, I think it looks great. Of course, Mike was on the waterfall. You did a great job as always. We're all super happy with it. Short, quick project. So yeah, I'm super happy to be out here.